Alright, so I moved in here over a year ago, and when we moved in, I said I'm going to paint the wood furniture that we have in our corridor. So it's been 1 year and 3 months, and those are still waiting to be painted. Some people had a lot of parties on them, that's why all of these dirty thingies. I'm going to paint them and make my father proud. Okay, so yesterday I prepared the wood. So I cleaned it, I washed it so it won't be greasy or anything. That was obviously not my idea, that was my dad's idea. Thank you. I'm gonna put 2 layers. First layer is gonna be today, second tomorrow. I chose the queen of all of the colors. It's pink. Fajne?
Wygląda jak jogurt, no ale...
First touch of... Isn't she lovely? Well, guess what I'm choosing to match my nails? It's actually really nicely matched. Cheers. So last year my parents bought me a book. I'm making myself a renovation guide. Let's have a look if it says anything useful about painting woods or wood renovation. Oh wow, bathroom. Oh wow. There is the part for the one who are really ambitious. How to construct a very easy entresol. Painting. Theory. Take paint and brush and make yourself a hat out of the old newspaper. Then you can start. And then fold this. Let's do it. Can I, please? They look like a set of Barbie furniture. Okay, so today is the last day, the final touch. We have 2 sets of handles, that's how you call it, I think, and they're really nice. Those will go on here, this will go inside here, and then we are done. Okay, so we all know I have a lot of love for myself. Even for me, this time, I seriously outdid myself. Look at it. This looks just incredible. Look at this pink and those beautiful thingies to pull. Okay, insides are not so nice. Huh? No pięknie, wygląda jakbyś przyszła w zestawie z tymi półkami. Ładniej niż wcześniej? Czy wolałeś takie brzydkie jak były? Co? Grubarku?